Think watermelon is just a sweet summer treat? Think again. Today, we're uncovering what really happens to your body when you eat watermelon every single day. Spoiler, it's more than just refreshing. Welcome to Health Normal, your daily dose of health tips made simple and fun. First up, hydration. Did you know watermelon is about 92% water? That means every juicy bite helps keep your body hydrated. Proper hydration isn't just about quenching thirst. It supports digestion, boosts energy, and keeps your skin glowing. Eating watermelon daily can be a delicious way to meet your hydration goals without chugging liters of plain water. Next, let's talk nutrition. Watermelon is loaded with vitamins A, B6, and C, plus minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play key roles in immune function, nerve health, and muscle support. And don't forget antioxidants like lycopene, which helps protect your cells from damage and may even support heart health. But that's not all. Eating watermelon every day may aid digestion thanks to its fiber content, keeping your gut happy. Support heart health with compounds like lycopene and citrulline helping blood flow and reducing oxidative stress. Reduce muscle soreness after workouts, perfect for athletes or anyone staying active. Fun fact, the rind isn't wasted either. It's edible and contains extra nutrients, so you can even pickle it or blend it in smoothies. So, whether it's a hot summer day or you just want a tasty, healthy snack, adding watermelon to your daily routine can be a simple step toward better hydration, heart health, and glowing skin. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend who loves their daily watermelon fix. See you next time on Health Normal.